Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you need oil pastels and a sheet of paper. So let's get started. Today you will learn abstract art from this video. First, draw a couple of grids that I have drawn in the video. You can pause the video and see. And a circle in the middle and color according to the video. Now we will do the coloring of sun. You require a tissue to blend the colors. Now we will draw the tree with the help of a pencil. Now we will color the tree with the help of a black color. Without the use of acrylic color, wow, you have done so beautifully with the oil pastels. The final result. Thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe.